Yo, what's up everybody? It is fucking warm today. So if you guys saw yesterday's video, you guys would know that my tire is completely done and I can't drive this car. Who's this handsome ass motherfucker right here? Move, move, move. Let's talk about this. Nah, I'm just kidding. What's up, Christine?
Damn, sick ass stickers. What the fuck is this? What is this cheap shit right here? Dude, look at my Supreme. See how it's holding up? Hey, look at this cheap ass. What the fuck, embarrassing, bro. You know what? I drove here and everybody was like looking at me. I don't know if it was like a celebrity or it was like a fucking stupid fuckboy.
Alright guys, so before we get shit talkers, I gotta explain myself real quick. I ordered these stickers and they sent us the wrong stickers. These are the ones without the vinyl. So we ended up giving all of the stickers to Sun. And these suck ass. Look at this. Paper. The ones that we sell on our website are straight up vinyl though, so they don't do this.
Yeah, they don't.
Ugh.
Yeah, make sure you don't get this.
Yeah, don't worry, we won't sell you guys these stickers. So you got something for me today, Son?
Yeah, I like your... Yay.
Since I can't drive around on those fucked up ass things, Son's letting me use these in the meantime. Sick. Having fun sanding the car?
Fuck no.
Fuck no. Poor guy.
Hey, Randy. It sounds like Randy's car.
Remember when you had to do this?
Yeah, roller paint job days. Fuck those, we're not going back to those days. Alright, let's go grab some food, then come back and then start working on the car. Just got our food, baby! There's a whole fucking gang of fucking motorcyclists and they're all doing wheelies and such. Slow down, boo. Slow down. We're gonna catch them. Yo, there's a fucking gang, bruh. Fucking savages! Oh! Oh! Shit! Oh shit! Oh! What a complete madland!
They make us look like pussies.
Outside! Jesus fucking Christ, these guys are fucking crazy. Yo, I wonder if these guys are taking resumes. I'm trying to be a badass. I'm trying to be a badass. Just finished eating. I'm fucking full. Alright, so a whole bunch of you guys have been commenting about the damage on my front bumper. And I don't want to repaint the whole bumper. So...
Oh, don't tell me you're gonna use whiteout.
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna use whiteout. I'm not gonna use whiteout. Oh my god, I'm not gonna use whiteout.
You and your freaking shortcuts, whatever shit. Because this car is white, well, he's gonna use whiteout.
No, I'm not gonna use whiteout. So I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this, but I honestly could care less because I might be going BN kit or a different kit. But then again, I might stay stock body. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But in the meantime, here's what I'm gonna do. Let's get a little close up. So you guys see all these little damages from going onto the tow truck. And also this really big one right here. Like all the paint just comes right off. I have a solution for this. My lovely assistant Tony always got my back. We're going through sanding that down, making it a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna sand all these other blemishes as well. So here's what I was planning on doing. I cut out a little square so I could hold it over and just spray. But lucky for me, Brian's working on his car and he gave me some masking tape. So that's what I'm gonna use. What'd you find out right now, Brian?
These are just like dirt and scuffs. They're like some paint chips, but like I got them all out already, but they were just like scuffs. Like
wow.
Some light sandpaper.
I was just gonna go over and spray them. Brian saved me some time. All right, so I have some leftover high gloss paint from last time. That's all I'm gonna use. Henry's home.
Henry's home.
Your man's too lazy. All right, please don't fuck up ready. Let's just tape this down. Let's mask it. I'm an idiot. I don't want to punch it up. All right, guys. So on Illiminate Auto Body, it either goes two ways, right or wrong. We'll find out after I finish. That's it. First layer's done.
Just send it, send it.
Send it, just send it. Fuck it, send it.
Corner.
Alright guys, while we're waiting for paint to dry, let's see if Son can do a pop shove it.
You think you're doing one, huh? Watch this.
Whoa!
Almost. Check this out, bro. Wait, how come the board doesn't come up too?
I don't know, you asked the board, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, let's stop before you get hurt, yeah?
I try my best.
Yo, you guys ready for this? Paint's not dry yet, but it looks okay.
Adrenaline pumping, heart pacing, racing, altercations reliving.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, these guys are hammering it out right now. Honestly, I really like the primered look on this.
You would say that.
Oh, I know. Roller paint job days.
This is the finished product. We're just wet sanding it.
Oh yeah. Guys, stay tuned. Brian's gonna be painting this real soon. The color that he chose is fucking sick. Also, shout out to Tony for going through and blending in my bumper. I actually did a really shitty job. Gotta give credit to Tony. Alright, Son, where are we going right now?
Skating.
Yep, we're gonna go teach Sonny how to skateboard at Sunnyvale Skate Park. We're gonna take you guys to another skate park. Today, Sonny's gonna do an ollie.
I'm gonna eat shit so bad. But you know what? First time for everything, right? You gotta fall to learn.
But you always eat shit. You always eat my ass.
I eat that.
Hey, Vu, do a kickflip. Oh!
That was the kickflip?
Alright guys, let's head to Sunnyvale Skate Park and get a couple tricks in.
Oh shit. This is the board I'm gonna be eating on now. What if I fall and I crack the board, bro?
We're here at the skate park.
Most likely you'll crack your skull without the board.
For real?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Hand me my board, yeah? Thank you, princess. Yeah, you do. You look cool. Right, guys? Son looks cool. Oh, yeah, you got it. By the end of today, you're gonna do an ollie, bro. Oh!
This is unsafe, bro.
Look at everyone doing it.
This is hell unsafe.
You ready, Son? We're gonna teach Son how to ride down the little ramp. So you gotta make sure you lean forward, all right?
Yeah, I'll lean forward, yeah.
Don't lean back. Just make sure you lean forward. We're gonna make Son go down this one. Forward, 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 forward. Oh! Good job. All right, guys, now I'm gonna hit the rail. Let's see if I got it.
Let's go. What happened?
I envisioned myself like eating it and hitting my nuts on the rail. Get one more try.
Aye. Oh shit! Oh shit! You good? Yeah. Yeah. See, that's why I don't want to skate.
I got it right here.
But it looks so fun though. Woo! That was clean. Muy bien. I mean, is that right? That's good, right? Muy bien. That's good. Very good. Hey!
Oh, you almost had that one.
Pop first, right? Pop first.
Oh! You okay?
I almost broke my leg. Alright, let's go home now. Already know, boy.
Oh! Hey son, I think you got it, dude. You just gotta believe in yourself.
I got it, bro.
Alright, ready? Ready?
I believe I can fly.
First try. Alright guys, we're gonna get Son to do more crazy shit.
Alright, let's go.
Cause Son's a savage.
Let's go.
Alright, Son's gonna take it to the next step. I don't think you guys can see this, but it's pretty steep.
That's hard, bro.
No, you got it, bro. Oh! That kid wasn't gonna do it better than you, right?
Nailed it.
Pussy.
Lit. Good shit. Alright, my turn. Watch
Alright, what are you doing?
Okay.
I think you got it, dude. Next try.
Hey, thanks, bro.
That was it. That was close. That was close.
Maybe like 2 more years.
Alright, son. Time to level up. You're gonna ride off this curb, alright? Easy? Alright, just lift up your tail all the way at the end right there. Ready?
Over here?
Yeah, just go for it. Just lift up your tail a little bit. Get ready. Oh, you almost had that one. Oh, you got it. Oh!
Good shit.
That's my boy Sonny. Now, how was your first time skating, son?
It was a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. But mom, we made it.
We made it. Son, you're officially a skateboarder.
Hey, I'm in love with a skateboard.
Yeah, she said see you later, boy. Hey, you put in work today, man. Skating's not easy, dude.
It's not easy, bro. It's not.
Hey, but you're getting better.
Thank you.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Yo, shout out to Andre from Baskin Robbins. He hooked us all up with ice cream. He's a subscriber. Thanks, bro.
We appreciate you. We'll come back next time.
We appreciate all the subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Everywhere we go, we're always getting free shit, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Thank you guys so much. And thanks for watching our videos. Bye.
I'm just kidding.
We had fun today. You know, I said the other day, shut the fuck up. So I said the other day, coming up with content is really hard.
It is.
But then I thought about it. It's called a vlog. We're vlogging our lives. We basically can do anything we want, huh?
Pretty much,
as long as we're having fun with it, really, you know?
Yeah. YouTube makes me, like, fucking, what do you call it, productive.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A little bit less of cars, more of just fucking around, having fun.
Just like another day.
Sun killed it today.
Oh.
Skateboarding takes a long time to, like, actually learn shit. But he had fun today, and that's all that matters.
Hell yeah. I always wanted to skate back in high school, but I couldn't, because I didn't have no friends.
Right, because, hey, back in high school, you couldn't speak English like that, right? Son came to America in middle school. So actually, I give him props. Props.
Thank you.
If you guys didn't know, Kevin Jude actually came to America in middle school as well.
Hey, there you go.
And he learned a lot. So props to all the fobs out there.
Is that a compliment or is that a fucking diss?
It was a compliment.
Alright
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Don't forget to
like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Deuces.